In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in TeamViewer Remote. If you're new to TeamViewer Remote, creating an account is the first step to managing remote connections, organizing devices, and accessing your resources from anywhere. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to teamviewer.com. Typing the address yourself is a simple way to avoid copy-paste mistakes or landing on lookalike sites. Once the page loads, glance at the address bar to make sure you see the secure padlock and the official domain. On the home page, look to the top right and click Sign In. If you're on a smaller screen or a mobile device, the navigation might collapse into a menu icon. Tap that to reveal the Sign In option. This takes you to the access area where you can either log in or begin creating your account. From there, choose Customer Portal. This is the place where account management happens, including plans, licenses, and your profile details. Selecting the Customer Portal ensures you're in the right spot to set up a personal or business account tied to your email. On the sign-in screen, find and click Create an Account. It's typically located near the login form and may also be labeled as Create Account or Sign Up. You want the link that explicitly starts a new registration rather than one that recovers an existing profile. When the registration form appears, enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Use an email you can access immediately and double check for typos before moving on. If you're creating an account for work, consider using your business email so it aligns with your organization's device management and permissions. Make sure the name fields match how you want your profile to appear across TeamViewer services. After confirming your details look correct, click Continue. This submits the initial information and begins the account setup flow. Depending on your region, plan, or device, you may see on-screen prompts or notices guiding you through the next parts of setup. Just follow what you see there and keep the browser tab open until you reach a confirmation screen. That's it. You went to the official site, opened the sign-in area, entered through the customer portal, chose to create a new account, provided your name and email, and continued. Once you're done, you'll be ready to start exploring TeamViewer Remote and organizing your remote connections with confidence.